This is literally my favorite part. My name is Yewande. I'm a cooking writer for the New York Times, and today I'm making garlic chicken with guasacaca sauce. Guasacaca sauce is a Venezuelan classic. It's an avocado-based sauce, so it's like creamy. It's got some vinegar, some lime, a bunch of herbs. It's really easy and the results are really tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna start with garlic. Add some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then my chicken and carrots get tossed in this garlic oil. I think you could also do spices on this. You could do some cumin, coriander is great too. So you could do carrots, you could do parsnips, you could do cauliflower, broccoli. I think this would really work with most vegetables that like to be roasted. And I spread them in like a nice even layer on the baking sheet. I'm coating the chicken with the same oil there's like some leftover oil in the bowl, and so the chicken gets coated in that oil. And it's really just to get the skin all nice and brown, like nice and golden brown. And you want to arrange the chicken pieces in between the carrots. You don't want to lay them on top, because if you put the chicken on top of the carrots, it's going to steam the carrots as opposed to brown. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. So it's going in at like 425, which is rather high, but it's gonna really give a nice golden brown skin on the chicken, and like the carrots are gonna caramelize and get almost jammy and sweet. And again, you could use whatever vegetables you have on hand, whatever's at the market. For the sauce, we need an avocado, jalapeno. If you like it spicier, you can go with another chili that's a bit spicier, and some fresh herbs. So I'm using parsley and cilantro today. Some lime, because we're gonna do the lime juice, and zest. I zest it upside down, I guess, because it doesn't get the white pith. I feel like the other way, you're sort of pressing the lime down on the zester, and it grates into the bitter white. And I also get to smell it, which is kind of nice. The last thing going in here is some rice vinegar. Oh, I've also seen this sauce served in like a scooped out avocado shell, but we're gonna toss it today. So to get your sauce going, you want to start on the lowest speed and like gradually increase it. I'm gonna add some water. You don't want to add too much water because it will dilute your sauce. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. And also sometimes you have to get in there with a spatula to like get it moving. Just don't hit the blades. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and check on the chicken. I got some nice color and caramelization on the carrots at the bottom and the top. The carrots are kind of wrinkled and like around the edges are a little burned, and that's just all the sugars in the carrot caramelizing, and so it just deepens the flavor. Also some nice color in the chicken. The pan juices are also really delicious. You can pour it right over. I also really like the contrast of this bright green sauce with the orange carrots. So I get the cilantro at first, and then all the other elements sort of like start saying like, hi, I'm here. I'm getting the avocado as a texture. It's creamy, like a vessel for the herbs and the acidity and the spice. It feels springy to me because it's bright green, but it's really like, you know, any season. I'm like wagging my carrot at you.